Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a coffee shop in Blender. First, open Blender and remove the default cube. Next, add a plane and scale it to represent your floor, perhaps by a factor of 10. Then, use simple cube primitives to construct the basic wall structure, ensuring they are about 3 meters high. Finally, apply basic diffuse materials to give your floor and walls distinct colors, like a light brown for the floor and a cream for the walls, setting the scene for your cozy coffee shop. Now let's furnish our coffee shop. Begin by modeling simple tables and chairs using cylinders and cubes, perhaps making tables about 1 meter wide. Construct a counter for serving, approximately 2 meters long and 1 meter high. Then, create a basic coffee machine shape and some shelves for display. Remember, using fundamental shapes like cubes, cylinders, and spheres will help you quickly build these elements, bringing your virtual space to life with essential pieces. Good lighting and textures are crucial for atmosphere. Start by adding a few area lights inside, perhaps with a power of 500 watts, to illuminate the space. Create window openings in your walls to allow natural light to stream in, enhancing the ambience. Next, apply simple PBR textures to your floor, walls, and furniture, like wood for tables and tiles for the counter. Adjust the roughness values on your materials to give them a more realistic feel, making some surfaces shinier than others. For the final touches, add small details such as coffee cups on tables and a few potted plants to enhance the scene's realism. Position your camera carefully to capture the best angle of your coffee shop, perhaps at eye level. Configure your render settings, choosing cycles for higher quality and setting samples to around 128 for a good balance of speed and detail. Finally, hit render to produce a beautiful image of your very own Blender coffee shop, showcasing all your hard work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.